how it's done. Oh, that's so smart. So, lady, how are you feeling?
Feeling good, a little bit anxious, but a little relieved to have the collection now out and presentable. Waiting to hear what the response is overall.
Can you tell us what's new in your collection this season, starting with this wall?
Sure. Major thing in this collection is the hardware. Every piece of hardware is new. It was all customized this season. I think it really adds a big difference in richness and detail to the collection. Colors for the collection, we always have black as our mainstay. We have the black on and brown and the blacks on blacks. The colors of the season is this saddle color, as well as this green color, which we call jungle.
Did you select that on your own? Or?
Yeah, this was a custom color.
I love it.
And obviously the addition of belts is a new thing. So we have this style, which is called the Lafayette belt. And we also have this style, which incorporates a lot of the hardware, and this is called the Bowery belt. And you can see the same type of detailing on our new version of the number 6 bag, because that's now become a shoulder strap.
Is there a particular favorite that you have this season?
I think it would have to be probably a new style, the number 9, which is over there, being blocked.
Okay.
But I also really love how the number 6 clutch came out in white ostrich.
Over there?
I think that's really special.
Can you tell us, we see a lot of the same silhouettes that you've had, but can you tell us what kind of inspired you to do something a little different this season?
I think I'm always looking to evolve the collection, but I want it to feel organic and make sense. I don't want it to feel like I'm going in a completely opposite direction. A big inspiration for this season, which I guess is kind of always for me, was a bit of a 60s, 70s vibe, like Jane Birkin in Paris, and even some modern, more eclectic muses like Catherine Baba. So the bag over there, which is my favorite, and features the new bar closure. It's definitely very 70s inspired, top handle bag. And something I always put in my collection are a lot of different geometric shapes. So the construction of that bag is actually special because the way the side panel, I'll show you, the way this is constructed, this piece wraps around. It has like a hidden dart in here, and just how this was constructed is a little bit different. I like playing with unusual shapes and unusual means of construction.
Are you kind of surprised to see where you are now? Because we sort of remain impressed with you.
Yeah. I mean, we've been now in business for a little bit over a year. It's already my 3rd season, which is kind of crazy, and I am well underway in designing the 4th. It's cool to see how it's evolved, but I'm always 10 steps ahead. I've been working with these designs now for 6 months, so I'm 6 months ahead in my head. So it's kind of a matter of catching up for me, but I am really excited to see how all these designs I've been working on have come to life. Just the way that some of my existing designs look in new colors, because just the hope that the designs can still stay fresh from season to season and have a little bit more of a timeless appeal is really great. So when they still work repeatedly in new colors and a little bit new twists, that's really great to see.